In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Resizing is one of those essential skills you'll use all the time, whether you're preparing a photo for the web, an email, or a print project. We're going to keep it simple and precise so you get the exact dimensions you need without unwanted distortion. Start by opening your image, then head up to the top of the screen. Click the image menu and choose image size. This opens the image size dialog box, which is your control center for changing how big your image is. You'll notice it shows current dimensions and a preview. The width and height fields are what matter most here. Next to them, you'll see a unit drop-down, often set to pixels by default. If you're sizing for screens, pixels are ideal. If you're preparing for print, you might switch to inches, centimeters, or millimeters, depending on your needs. Before you type in new values, look for the little chain link icon between width and height. When it's enabled, it keeps the proportions locked so your image won't stretch or squish. In most cases, you'll want that on. With the link active, just change one dimension, say the width, and Photoshop will automatically adjust the height to maintain the aspect ratio. If you absolutely need to set both numbers independently and understand it may distort the image, you can turn the link off and then enter both values. You may also see a resolution field and a resample option. For on-screen use, resolution isn't critical. The pixel dimensions are what count. For print, resolution matters. 300 pixels per inch is a common target for high-quality prints. Resample determines whether Photoshop adds or removes pixels to meet your new size. Leaving resample on lets you change the pixel dimensions. Turning it off ties size changes to resolution only. If you're unsure, leaving resample on with automatic selected generally gives good results. Reducing size typically looks clean, while enlarging too much can soften details, so try modest increases if you need to scale up. Now enter your new width and height values using the unit that fits your purpose. Double check the preview to make sure the image looks right and the proportions are as expected. When you're happy with the settings, click OK. Photoshop applies the change immediately and your image is resized to the dimensions you specified. That's all there is to it. By using the image size dialog thoughtfully, choosing the right units, keeping the aspect ratio when needed, and understanding resampling, you can resize confidently without sacrificing quality.